Hey guys, it's Shah here, the Tech Borg, and in this video we're going to be doing this scenario, and we're going to be making a program. So as you can see, I've highlighted the scenario. So the question is, write a program, or the scenario, write a program that computes the value of a plus aa plus aaa plus aaaa with a given digit as the value of a. So suppose the following input is supplied, 9, then the output should be 11106. And what this means is when they plug in 9, it should become 9 plus 999 plus 999 plus 9999, and that's literally it, guys. There's a trick solution to this, a way to do it. So I'm gonna after I show you my solution, I'll show you their solution, but I believe mine was much more simpler. And for those of you that have actually done something like this before, will understand that it's like a flaw in when you add two strings. I'll show you how it's done. It's pretty cool. So first of all, we want to take an input, but I'm not going to make it an integer input. Now I'll tell you the reason for that after. So a is equal to input, and then enter number. So if we took an integer input now, let's say it was an integer now, okay? If it was an integer, let's see what would happen. So that, save that, and then let's say we did, I'm not sure, print a plus a, okay? If we had an integer input now, let's see what happens. So if I just save this now, a, save as a, not a good name, but so enter number, so we enter something like 5, so 5 plus 5 is 10, a plus a, but we want a, so we want 55, we want the number to replicate the first digit, so instead of int, we just leave it as a string, and what it does with string is it literally just puts them together. So if we save this now and run this, if I put a 5, as you can see, it combines the two and makes 55. So now, to make two a's, I'll call it a2, which is equal to a plus a. Similarly, for a3 is equal to a plus a plus a 3 times. And then a4, which is the last one, has to equal a plus a plus a plus a. And that's it. But all of them are in string, and we want the output to be an integer. So we just simply convert them. So print integer a plus integer a2 plus integer a3. And this was what's cool about Python, is you can change around the numbers, you can change around the type, like string, integer, float value, which is decimals. It's pretty cool. And if we run this now, so their example gave us 9, and it should be 11106. So if we run this now, so if we put in 9, as you can see, the output is 11106. So the program is working clearly. It's pretty good. It's pretty efficient. I mean, in 4 lines, it's pretty good. 5 lines, sorry. So now, if we look at their solution now, which is over here, let me highlight it, which is also pretty similar. It's just slightly different. What they've done is they've used the built-in functions in order to replicate the values of a. So they've taken the input like we have, and then they've done the a1, a2, a3, a4 like we have. Except for they gave a1 the name of that. They gave n1, n2, n3, n4, etc. And then they've just basically just combined the two through this function. I'm not exactly sure about this function type, but I think mine was just much more easier to understand. And for those of you that have actually done this, Python, you know about this sort of issue in Python with string. It just combines them together. But I guess that's the strength as well, because it just literally made it easier for us. And that's really it, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, subscribe.